no immigration health surcharges on these visas. There are a lot of conditions surrounding a couple of visas that do not require them to pay, that do not require applicants to pay immigration health surcharges. And it is so much important and relevant to know all these things as you prepare to do your visa applications. This will help you to prepare adequately during your visa application. If you're watching me for the first time on your screen, please press the subscribe button, smash the notification and the like button so that anytime I post such a video, you will be one of the first people to be notified. Now let's dive straight into the video. There are instances and kinds of visas that do not require the IHS fee, or they do not require IHS reference number to go through to a successful end of a visa, of a UK visa application. To start with is someone applying as an asylum seeker or someone who is applying for an humanitarian protection. What this means is that some people are so much pressed and life-threatened in their country, and so when they are able to find their way into the United Kingdom, anytime they are applying for a visa to allow them live legally in the country, they do not require or need to pay immigration health surcharges. The second type of visa that do not require the payment of IHS fee is the health and care worker visa, or someone who is applying as a dependent of a health and care worker visa. On 21st May 2020, the Prime Minister by then announced plans to exempt health and care workers from the payment of immigration health surcharges as soon as possible, and that eligible health and care staff will be reimbursed depending on their individual circumstances. In August 2020, the Home Office launched the Health and Care Worker Visa, exempting individuals at the point of application from having to pay the immigration health surcharges. On 1st October 2020, the Department of Health and Social Care launched the Health and Care Reimbursement Scheme for eligible staff outside these visas. And so what actually means is that even before those who had already entered into the country, just before this rule was proposed and effective, they were reimbursed of their IHS. And so since 2020 August, the IHS fee has been free for visa application, for health and care visa applications. Don't forget, this also includes all their dependents. With a health and care visa, we are looking at occupations, not only nurses and carers or senior carers, but we are also looking at biological scientists, biochemists, dental practitioners, doctor, midwife, medical radiographer, nurse, ophthalmologist, paramedics, physiotherapists, physical scientists, podiatrists, psychologists, social workers, speech and language therapists, and therapy professionals. So all this falls under the health and social care, of which they are all exempted from paying the IHS fee. Another visa application when entering the United Kingdom that do not require the payment of immigration health surcharge is the visitor's visa. So when you are applying for the visitor's visa, you will not be required to pay for the immigration health surcharges. However, you will have to pay for your healthcare services anytime there is a need for when you are in the country. And so what happens is that anytime you need to attend to the GP or the hospital, you would have to fully pay or fully fund for your healthcare. Also, when you are applying for indefinite leave to remain, you will not be required to pay for immigration health surcharges. What this means is that when you're applying for indefinite leave to remain, you are one of the exemptions when it comes to the payment of IHS fee. Moreover, diplomats and members of visiting armed forces who are not subjected to any of the immigration control are also exempted from paying the immigration health surcharges. What this means is that if those who hold a diplomatic passport to travel outside their country are exempted from paying the immigration health surcharges. Another instance where an applicant may not be required to pay the immigration health surcharge is someone who has been notified or who has been noticed as a victim of slavery or child trafficking. Lastly, are those who are EU citizens or those who have EU citizenship cards. And so, if you are applying to enter into the United Kingdom as an EU citizen, then you will not need to pay for immigration health surcharges. What this means is that you are exempted. You can successfully apply for your UK application. You can go through successfully, and you will not be denied or be unsuccessful because you did not pay for your UK. You did not pay for immigration health surcharges fee. Please, if any of this information is relevant to you and has helped you in any way or added up to your knowledge, please don't forget to press the subscribe button and also the notification button. Please smash the like button and the notification button so that anytime we post a video, you will be one of the first people to be notified. Thank you.